Hello friends, welcome. In this video I am going to talk about child themes, what they are, why they are important, and why you should create a child theme to override the functionality of a parent theme. Child themes are crucial because they allow you to make customization without losing those changes when the parent theme is updated. By creating a child theme, you can override specific functionalities of the parent theme while preserving the theme's overall appearance and functionality. For example, in this video, I'll create a child theme for the 2021 theme. Note that 2021 theme is a classic theme, but those concepts translate well over to block themes as well. Moreover, any functionality I overwrite won't affect the default styles and features of the parent theme. I'll continue using the parent theme styles, but will customize its functionality, such as removing or adding theme supports. Any changes I make during this demo will be done to the child theme. Basically, the concept is to use a parent theme to use as a base and build a custom one using its predefined appearance, feature, and functionality. Additionally, I'll demonstrate how to override new files and add new ones, particularly for a movie library plugin. And that includes custom post types like movies and person. A parent theme is a complete theme that includes all the required WordPress template files, like the 2021 theme. To create a child theme, I navigated to the themes folder. You can see all the themes installed on a site, including the 2021 theme folder. Here I have created a new folder called 2021 child to indicate it's a child theme of the 2021 theme. You can name this folder anything. It doesn't have to follow a specific naming convention. However, for clarity and ease of understanding, I have named it 2021 child to indicate it's a child theme of the 2021 theme. In the 2021 child folder, I added a style.css. This file does not contain any CSS at this point. It only includes the theme header. The header contains metadata that WordPress reads to display the information about the theme on the themes page under the appearance menu. To define a child theme, you must include a template attribute in the header and specify the folder name of the parent theme. The folder name is critical because WordPress uses it to identify the child theme's relationship to the parent theme. The rest of the header information remains standard. Similarly, you can create a child theme of block themes as well. Now, if you navigate to the themes page under appearance menu, you will see the 2021 theme currently activated and the 2021 child theme listed. WordPress also indicates that this is a child theme because we have specified the parent template type in the theme folder. When you activate a child theme, WordPress determines whether the active theme is a parent or child theme using some options stored in the database. When you activate a child theme, WordPress determines whether the active theme is a parent theme or child theme using some options stored in the database. In the WP options table, there are two options, style sheet and template. As you can see, when the parent theme, that is 2021 theme is active, both style sheet and template value will be the same as the theme is not a child theme. However, if you activate a child theme, the style sheet value changes to the child themes folder name, that is 2021 child, while the template value remains the parent themes folder name, that is 2021. WordPress uses these values to identify which templates to load. For example, if WordPress needs to load the single.php template, if you remember the template hierarchy internal working video, you can guess that it will first look in the child theme. If the template does not exist in the child theme, WordPress will fall back to the parent theme. If it does not exist in the parent theme either, it will fall back to the index.php template. This hierarchy ensures that child themes take precedence over parent themes, allowing you to safely make customization. WordPress also sets constant for the style sheet and template paths based on these options. As seen in the locate template functions discussed in a previous video, this process highlights the importance and functionality of child themes in WordPress, allowing you to customize the site efficiently while safeguarding those changes during these updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress!